Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to test the YouTube HDR support in the Realme 6 device, friends. And if you're watching first time this channel, subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru, and also follow my Instagram page, friends. If you have any queries regarding the smartphones, you can message me in the Instagram. So recently, when I given the WhatsApp number, but I'm unable to use the WhatsApp number here, so I thought of using the Instagram page, so where even I can post plenty of images, sample images which I have taken in the different phone. So definitely friends, I'll be posting plenty of images and sample images taken in the Realme 6 and even in the Redmi Note 10 Pro and other mobile phones. So if you have any queries regarding the smartphone, just contact me in the Instagram page, friends. So you can I left the link in the description below, so straight away you can click and you can message me in the Instagram, and try to follow my Instagram page, friends, and also subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru. So recently I got the Realme X6 device and I decided to do plenty of videos, battery drain, display comparison, and lot more videos, friends, and definitely it's worth subscribing to my channel. If you have any queries or if you want me to do any different kind of test, do comment below, friends. Otherwise you can message me in my Instagram. So definitely I'll try to do a video on that as well. So it might take some time, but definitely I'll post a video, friends. And let's get started with the YouTube HDR test in the Realme 6 device. So as you can see, friends, right now I'm using the Realme 6 phone. So let's check in the YouTube application whether it's supported with the HDR content or not. So let me open the YouTube application, friends. Here is YouTube application, and just you need to type the HDR, and you'll get the list of videos which are actually HDR supported videos, as you can see, friends. So which are HDR content, you can clearly see. So let me try to select one of the video and let's see whether the phone actually supports or not. And it is the video, friends, and let me go to the settings and let's see whether it's HDR supported. So as you can see, friends, clearly the HDR is supported in the Realme 6 device, friends. So if you can see the HDR in the side of the resolution, then definitely HDR is supported in the Realme 6 device. So there is no doubt in that. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru, and let's see whether is there any brightness issue or not. So let me try to decrease the brightness to 0, and auto brightness has been disabled. So usually there will be problem with the screen brightness, friends, when you want to switch to the full screen. So let's check. So as you can see, friends, the brightness has increased automatically. So let me go back to the normal. The brightness decreased. So if you think it's in auto brightness, it's not in auto brightness mode, friends. So it only happens in the HDR videos only. So I'll be doing in-depth review, friends, on if you want me to do on this issue. So definitely, friends, stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to follow my page also, friends, Instagram page, and do comment to message me in the Instagram as well. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.